Hello and welcome to Scent Explorer. I am Mohammed Hassan and today we are going to explore another scent which is from Marc Antoine Barrois, Paris, which is Ganymede. Or okay, so here we have the box Ganymede, and here is the bottle. So this is the bottle, and here is the logo on the top of the bottle. Let me just hide behind it to zoom it. Okay, so here this is difficult because you have to hide properly. So this is a really nice bottle where we have golden touch to it, which is very shiny kind of material, and in fact it is actually it resonates with what there is in it. So it is kind of metallic touch, very shiny metal, which is kind of gold touch over here. So this is how it smells actually. So this is the major part of its smell. So I really love the box, and you have to remove this and open it. So remove this, and then we have this box over here, and then you just open it like this. So I bought actually from a friend with a very minimum quantity. I wanted to test it, and I was hearing a lot of praise for it, and when I got it I didn't enjoy it much at that time, but my wife actually loves it, and I actually enjoys more on. I think it would be a perfect scent for females. For me, I really don't enjoy like you can say 100% of this scent. So this is Ganymede by Marc Antoine Barrois. Okay, so now the smell. Right off the bat, it is very airy. It gives you a cold feeling. It is metallic in nature. It has some metal. The metal part is not too you can say too high pitched. It is very balanced. It is kind of like when you touch a cold metal, just like I would say if you are touching a cold silver or golden jewelry. So this is the effect it is going to have. So I think for summers it is a perfect scent. It is ozonic, airy. It has a very good projection, and if you apply 2 or 3 sprays, it is going to fill the whole room. The others, it is mass pleasing. Everyone is going to enjoy it, and whoever I have shown this perfume, I was not able to stop them from spraying on themselves. So I think 3 or 4 people have done this. So I think so far this is very mass pleasing. This is ozonic metal, cold metal with very balanced sweetness and florals. So I normally don't enjoy florals. I really hate floral heavy perfumes. So let's spray it. So in the start it is just light sweet ozonic kind of fresh ozonic airy kind of feeling, not very metallic off the bat. Some people say it has mineral. Yes, it has mineral vibe, but it is not salty. It is sweet mineral. Metallic, very light metallic. It is very cold. It is just like you have dipped your hand into the ice to get some golden metal below it. This is really nicely done. So some people complain that we actually get the smell of tile cleaner from it. So I also got this smell, but the problem here is whenever you apply this is a warning for from my experience. Whenever you apply this on your skin. Never apply this on your clothes, because it is going to give you a very nasty smell on the dry down. So after 3 or 4 hours or 5 hours, it is going to smell like you have sprayed a tile cleaner on your clothes. So it is very, very chemical heavy smell if you spray it on your clothes. I'm not sure why this happens. Maybe some reaction goes on with my clothes, but on my clothes actually it is very, very dense kind of chemical cleanser kind of smell, which I was not able to bear. I kept on asking my wife that what have you applied on your clothes. So she didn't remember because it was like 1 or 2 days ago, and it was this perfume. So don't try to apply this Ganymede perfume on your clothes. This is not a good thing or good idea from my experience. I'm not sure what others have to say. If you have this perfume or you have applied on your clothes, that's another story. I would love to hear that. Very, very pretty kind of elegant smell. This is really elegantly done. Cold, light metallic, sweet, airy, mineral, ozonic, and I would really love this on a lady who is elegant, who is well dressed, and who is, you know, in her maybe 20s or 30s. No, not from I think above 25. So this is a perfect scent. I really enjoyed this. I think it is it also shows some confidence. So because it is cold and metallic and still it has sweet, so it has some determination and confidence in it. So a confident, elegant woman, it would be a perfect on her. Also, I think it is very safe. It is mass pleasing. You can apply this on any occasion, on ceremonies, on marriages, on parties. I think this is a very good and safe scent in my opinion. Whoever I have showed this, they really enjoyed it. Don't overspray it. It has a very good projection. 3 sprays are, I think, more than enough. So that is my review about Ganymede from Marc Antoine Barrois. So difficult to say these names. Anyhow, you will understand. I try to simplify the smell as much as I can. It doesn't have any headache kind of florals for me, but make sure you test it, because maybe if you have some problem with the metallic note, because some people may have that, and I also don't enjoy it like 100%. I just like it like 70, 60, 70%. My wife loves it, and she's asking me to get a full bottle for this one. And in my country, it is short right now. I'm not able to find this 30 ml bottle. There are 2 varieties over here. I think one is 90 or 100 ml and one is this 30 ml. So I will try to find, and that is all my review about this Ganymede. And this is a very lovely, safe perfume. If you want to buy it, make sure you first try it and get a sample from your friend, or sniff it on their skin or something like that, or maybe try to spray it on your skin and see how it reacts on your skin. So that is all. Make sure you like, subscribe and share this video, and I will meet you soon in another video with another scent. Till then, take care. Bye bye.